Come with me to 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea at Las Spirits, Las Vegas.
Ooh, I feel like I am in a ship.
It's moving.
My date was the one and only Perez Hilton.
Gosh.
It was one of the coolest dining experiences I've ever had. I loved every single little detail. It's a 16-course tasting menu with some of the booziest cocktails.
It's messing with my brain. I'm not used to having something sweet. I'm into it.
Look how pretty. Yum.
Grew up eating a lot of.
Alright, this is an eel. Solid eel.
Yummy.
Spanish octopus that we braise in Beaujolais wine. It then gets charred over bean shotan charcoal and served with butternut squash puree.
This is so yummy and tender. Anything cooked over a bichontan charcoal is good with me. This next course was my absolute favorite. It was so creative and it had uni. She had these plates custom made to mold her mouth and we basically make out with her and eat this food off this plate. So cool. This dinner was dramatic, captivating, and so well executed. Kudos to you, Chef